Before we get the show on the road, I am aiming to hit 12,500 subscribers by the end of the calendar year. Now, if you're not subscribed already, like the 77% of you that watched the last video, then please do so and it would be much appreciated. Hey guys, Goggs are here, and tonight we are south of the border where Manchester United take on PAOK Thessaloniki. Now PAOK are struggling in the Europa League this season with 1 point from 3 games, whereas Manchester United are the perfect artists with 3 draws. I know what you're probably thinking, what is a Scottish football vlogger doing in Manchester on a Europa League night? I know Hearts are playing Heidenheim, but last year I went to do 2 PAOK vlogs against Hearts and Aberdeen, and they did quite well, so coming to Old Trafford tonight, to those Greek fans, I say, Kalispera.
Tell you what, I think the house prices around here are dropping like a stone at the minute.
So guest one on the vlog today is Alex of SPFL Media Watch. How you doing, mate?
Not too bad, not too bad. Interesting being here. Feels a bit weird, but a fish out of water experience.
Yeah, I completely get that, because this is your first time at Old Trafford. This is my 3rd time, but first time watching an official match, because previously I was here on a school trip for just a tour, and previously also for a Legends game. So what do you think tonight?
Very interesting. I don't know how to gauge Man United. I'll attest, I don't watch a huge amount of Premier League. Obviously they've now got Van Nistelrooy in charge. I think it'll be interesting to see if he rests players. It's always hard to see how seriously they take the Europa League. But I'm really interested to see what PAOK do, because they always bring huge support everywhere they go. We obviously saw them against Hearts and Aberdeen in recent years, and this is a huge game for them, especially if they're wanting to get into the top 8 of the Europa League. So really interested to see what happens. I think we'll be in for a good game though.
Guest 2 of the vlog tonight is Nathan. This is your first time at Old Trafford as well. How do you think it's going to go?
It is indeed my first time at Old Trafford. I think it should be pretty interesting. I kind of expect Man United to win. I've not seen PAOK play, but I'm trusting your word in saying that they are a good team. So we're going to see what happens. But I do have an expectation for Man United to come out on top.
Yes, well, I'd say that they are a very good team in PAOK, but they are currently 2nd in the Super League in Greece, just a couple points behind their city rivals Aris. They lost against Galatasaray in FCSB, but got a good point last time out as well in the Europa League. So it's going to be an interesting one. I'd like to see both teams to score tonight. I want to see a ding-dong battle, but with Ruud's first European game, it could be one of those where it's a sort of addition for the Man United players when Amarim comes in charge. Cheers. Right, Alex has made an observation.
It's weird. It's a bit weird. I don't know. It's like, it's not like I'm going to a football game. It's like I'm going to like a place where football's being played, and like everyone's here for something else. Like I don't know. It doesn't feel like you're going to like. I've been to games in Newcastle before. It was a Hearts game a few weeks ago that you were at.
Yeah.
And that felt like a football game. This feels like, it's like I'm waiting outside for a cinema or something. It doesn't feel, there's not like an atmosphere building. It just feels like there's lots of people here without an actual atmosphere. And I'm fully aware of the irony of that, given that we're also
we're tourists.
But like there is a lot of tourists. Like it doesn't feel like it doesn't feel like it's like the odd tourist. It's like every second person here is here for the first time or here for the second time. It doesn't feel like there's a sort of regular thick and thin people that are here, like your average season ticket holders coming to these games, which is probably a bit problematic for Man United. But then again, I suppose they're trying to. It's a business, not a. It's not a normal football club.
It's not who's coming, it's how many.
It's how many and how much they're paying. And it does kind of feel like a lot of people I've seen here taking photos with police horses and stuff, which is just a bit weird. It's a bit weird. Like, it's surreal, I'd say. Very surreal.
There's a choice of food for tonight. Not quite pie sports. Well, this is quite a sight. Now that is an away end and a half. So lads, this is the first time I've sat or stood in safe standing. What do you think?
It's a bit cramped.
Yeah, what about Trafford? I think it's fine if it's terracing. I think it's fine with standing. Clearly, obviously, if it seats into the UEFA requirement. However, I'm 5'8" and my knees are right up against the next seat. So if that's the same for someone like me, I can imagine someone who's 6 foot. I wouldn't recommend.
Yeah, definitely not. I'm only 2 inches taller than him, so see, it's not looking great.
So my prediction today, I think Man United haven't really been showing their full potential in the Europa League this season. Then again, they're not a club that really would. I'm thinking it's going to be a 2-each draw. I'm hoping for some scenes tonight. That would be amazing to see. You know, I really wish I was in that. This looks amazing. And we're off. He's been taking on that wing. Too hard to pass that. He doesn't want to use it. The race supporter are loving it. Half time, no. So far at half time it's 0-0. I'm really enjoying this from the neutral perspective. Like PAOK have come here and they've shown that Man United are nothing to be afraid of. Man United, every time they go forward, they seem to just look to go back. It's almost like they're just trying to win the game of possession, and that's no way to win a game of football. PAOK have actually come here, they're having a go on the counter, and they're reaping the rewards for it, and they nearly scored. Onana was forced into a great save, pushed out for a corner. But so far, like, this is the type of game that it's there for PAOK to win. So we'll see what happens in the second half. play by Brandon Thomas. Turn the screw. 50 minutes, 1-0.
Fingers crossed we get the nod.
That's a free kick.
Come on, straight away! There he is!
Watch in direct here. Oh! How's he missed that? That was the chance. Well, that's the result beyond any doubt now. Ahmad Diallo's scored his second goal. 13 minutes to go, 2-0. Come on, it was against PAOK, not Barcelona. Finish here at Old Trafford, Man United 2, PAOK 0. Hey, in the end, Man United were the better side in the second half.